Happy morning, children. A warm welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, today we are going to write our maths classwork. Come on, let me start our class. Students, please take your maths classwork, which has 288 pages maths ruled. We already written our classwork, children. So take the maths classwork, which has 288 pages maths ruled. Children, now we are going to start our classwork. Already we have written our classwork from the lesson numbers. Few exercises we have written. Now we are going to continue the same lesson, children. So before that, draw two lines. In the first line, using a scale and a pencil. First line, draw a line and leave the second line. Draw second line in the third line. Clear, children? Now whenever we are writing, we should not forget to write the date which we are writing our classwork. So mention it as 11/9. So in the line we left over here now, children, we have to write the lesson numbers. Again we are going to continue the same lesson. So leave that line. Exercise 2.6. Book page number 31 for your future reference. Write clearly, children. Exercise 2.6, book page number 31. Today we are going to see some addition facts. Before that, in the first Roman letter of the exercise 2.6, we are going to do the simple addition using zeros and ones. So fill in the boxes. What the heading, children? Fill in the boxes. So F should be in capital. Give finger gap and write neatly, children. Use only the blue stick pen, pencil, scale. Not any other cartridge pens are not allowed. So use only the blue stick pen, which won't harm your fingers. Clear, children? So first serial number, you have to put it in a Roman number, small Roman number letter. So first one, after writing the heading, leave one line. First Roman letter, first one, 4634 plus, when we add, what will be the answer they are asking? இங்கே என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா 4364மா. இங்கே இந்த பாக்ஸில் நம்ம ஆன்சர் எழுத போகிறோம். ஸோ ஃபார் திஸ் பாக்ஸ் யூஸ் அ பென்சில் அண்ட் ஸ்கேல், சில்ட்ரன். ஈக்குவல் டு 4634. என்ன ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு அங்கே 4634 வரும்? ஸோ நத்திங், நம்ம ஒன்றும் ஆட் பண்ண போகிறதில்ல. ஸோ புட் 0. கிளியர்? So 4634, when we add with 0, we get the answer of 4634. Clear, children? After writing the first sum, leave one line. Second sum, put second Roman number in the margin. Now the question is 2134 plus 1. What will be the answer, children? When we add 2134 plus 1, we get the answer 2135. 4 plus 1, 5. Clear? So use the pencil and the scale to draw this box. Leave one line, children. Write the Roman number 3 in a small case. After writing this in a margin, start writing the numbers. Children, in maths it is very important to write the numbers carefully. If you change even a one number, the whole answer will get changed. So be careful with the numbers while writing. Observe carefully and write. Now the third one is 5349. When we added this number with 0, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? The same number will occur. 5345, when we add to nothing, the 0, the number 0, we get the answer 5349. Children, in the fourth sum, you can observe something. Because they have not given the answer for the addition. They have given the same number, repeated numbers over there. What we have to do? Observe this. 1435 plus 1923 is equals to, again they have mentioned 1923 and what will be the answer in this box? என்னம்மா ஆன்சர் இருக்கும்? இங்கே 1435 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ப்ளஸ் 1923. அவங்க என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? இதை ஆட் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் கொடுக்கல. இந்த ஆன்சரும் அந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்க ஆன்சரும் சேமாக வருமானு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. தட் இஸ் மென்ஷன் இன் ஈக்குவல் சைன். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ என்னம்மா வரும்? அவங்க 1923 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. நவ் கெஸ் இட், வாட் வில் பி இன் த பாக்ஸ்? Yes, you are right. The same number 1435 will be the answer. So write the numbers carefully, children. I don't have a space to write the fifth sum. You can carry on with the same page itself. Clear? எனக்கு மிஸ்ஸுக்கு எழுத இடம் இல்லை, so I continue in the next side, but you can continue writing in the same side itself. So fifth one, 3457. What will be the answer when we added to the 1? 1 கூட ஆட் பண்ணால் 3458 வரும். கிளியர்? இப்போது 57 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இந்த பாக்ஸில் என்ன வரும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் 58, 3458. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? எஸ், யூ ஆர் ரைட். வென் வி ஆட் 7 to the number, add 7 to the number, we get the answer 8. So in the box we have to write 1. Clear? Children, I hope everyone understand, and I think you will be writing your classwork neatly. Don't scribble. After completing this first Roman letter, you have to draw a line with your pencil and scale. For next one, take your fresh page. Children, now we are going to write the add sum. So write 2 in the margin. Add after writing this add, leave one line, children. Children, observe this note, children. We are going to write 2 sums in a page. So first sum should be here and the next sum should be there. So your note will look neatly. For a good presentation, you can write one sum here and the other sum here. Only 2 sums in a page is enough, dear. After that, you may take a fresh page for a fresh sum. Students, now after writing the addition, add, you may leave one line. Now in the margin, as I told you, write the serial number as 1. This represents the place value of the numbers. So keep a finger gap and write, children. 1000 finger gap, 100 finger gap, tens finger gap, ones. Clear? Now after writing this, leave one line. Write the numbers according to the place position. So we are going to do the addition from the ones place value. So now start adding, children. 4 plus 4, the answer is 8. And next we are going to tens place value. 5 plus 2 we get 7. In 100, 2 plus 4, 6. And in thousands, 3 plus 1, 4. So write the answer in the margin side. We get the answer 4678. Children, while writing, give a sufficient finger gap and write. Now we move on to the second sum. As I already told you how to write the second sum and where to write. So start writing the second sum and give a sufficient space. Thousands, 100, tens, ones. Write the number, leave one line. Write the number in the same place value position. So thousands in 2, 3, hundreds 1, 3, tens 3, 4, ones 5, 2. Now we are going to add from the ones place value position. 5 plus 2 we get 7. 3 plus 4 we get the answer 7. And in hundreds we get the answer 1 plus 3 we get the answer 4. And in thousands 2 plus 3 we get the answer 5. Right? Mention the answer in the answer near the sum, and don't forget to draw these lines with your scale and a pencil. Whenever your pencil is blunt, sharpen your pencil, children. And observe this, what type of addition is this? Yes, it is without regrouping sums. Students, now we are going to continue writing the add sum, third and fourth. Now take a fresh page, so which look your note neat, ma. Write the third Roman number in a smaller case in the margin. write the thousands, hundreds, tens, ones by leaving a finger gap, and copy the question according to the right place value. So 3762 plus 3137. Now we are going to do the addition. So from the ones place value we have to start doing the add. So 2 plus 7 we get the answer 9. 6 plus 3 we get the answer 9. 7 plus 1, what is the answer, children? Yes, you are right, it is 8. 3 plus 3, what's the answer? Is 6. You have to draw the line by using a scale and pencil. Don't draw in a free hand, it will look your note horrible. So just draw these lines, these two lines with your scale and pencil. Now move on to the fourth sum, children. As I told you to write the next sum near the margin. In the margin side you can write the fourth row number, fourth serial number, and then after the margin you can write thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. And now again leave one line, give a line, leave a line. Write the 1433 in the correct place value position, children, plus 4552 by giving a finger gap. After writing this leave one line, draw two lines with your scale and pencil. Now we are going to add the sum from the ones place value position. Just add along with me, children. 3 plus 2 we get the answer 5. 3 plus 3, 8. Students, look at the number carefully. In the mathematics, we have to write the numbers carefully. If one number get wrong, the whole answer will get wrong. So, in tens place, what is the number they have given? 3, 5. So, 3 plus 5, not 3, 3. Clear, children? 3 plus 5, we get the answer 8. In hundreds, 4 plus 5, what is the answer, children? Yes, it is a simple addition. You may do this. Tell me the answer. Yes, it is 9. And in thousands, 1 plus 4 we get. Yes, children, you are right. It is 5. So 5985 is the answer. After completing this add sum, you may now draw the line using a scale and a pencil. Children, now take a fresh page. Copy the question properly. We are going to do the third sum in add. See, observe this, children. The numbers are given in a horizontal way. Now we are going to arrange in a vertical order and then going to add it. Clear, children? So add 2713 plus 104 plus 1172 plus 6010. So they have given in a horizontal order. So now we have to arrange them in a correct place value position in a vertical order and then add it. So first we have to write the place value. After writing the question, leave one line, children. Give a 2 finger gap. In the center of the page you may write. So thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Again I am repeating. Thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Give a finger gap and write, children, to look your note neat. Don't scribble. After writing the place values, leave one line. Now we are going to arrange the numbers in the correct place value position. As I told you, the first number is 2713. And in next, after writing this first sequence of number, start writing the second set of number, which has 1104. 104. So we have to start from the place value 100. So 104. After writing this, now we are going to write 1172 in the next line. So 1172. Afterwards, what we are going to write, children, is 6010. So where we have to start, children, from the 1000 place value, 6010. So 100 has no number, so they have given 0. And in tens place value we are going to write 1, and in ones place value 0. So if you observe this, the numbers are written in a just give a space and write, so it will look give you a neat look. And then what we are going to do? We are going to add. So represent the symbol addition. Add symbol. After writing this question, leave one line. Draw to these two lines with your pencil and a scale. Now we are going to do a addition. From where, children? Yes, you are right. From the ones place value. So come on, add along with me. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2. 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And tens value, 1 plus tens place value, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, yes, you are right, 9. Write the answer straight to the tens place value. Now we are move on to the hundreds. What is the number? 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, yes, you are right. Again the answer is 9. Now come on, children, do this in the thousand place value. What is the number? 2 plus 1 is 1 plus 6. What the answer, children? Yes, you are right. Again the answer is 9. So we get the answer of 9,999. After completing this, you may now draw a line with your pencil and scale. Students, now we are going to do the word problem sum. So write the number, before that take a fresh page. So each word problem should be written in a fresh page. Don't combine and write, children. So we are going to see one word problem today. Write the number 4 in the margin. We are going to write the question. Continue writing the question. Don't split it anywhere, children. So give us sufficient space and write. So, let me read the question. A man visited a furniture shop. So ஒருத்தர் வந்து furniture shop போறாரு. He bought a bed for rupees 2,100. So அவர் என்ன வாங்குறாரு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, he is buying a bed for rupees 2,100, a dining table for rupees 3,500 and 6 chairs for rupees 4,200. How much did he pay? So அவங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபர்னிச்சர் ஷாப் போகிறாங்க, பெட்டு வாங்குறாங்க, டைனிங் டேபிள் வாங்குறாங்க, and then 6 chairs for bed for rupees 2,100, dining table for rupees 3,500 and 6 chairs for 4,200. How much did he pay? After writing this question, we have to keep a question mark. Children, in word problem, while writing word problem, you may continue writing the word problem on the other side of the margin also, children. When we are writing the statement, listen carefully. The statement should be here and the number should be here. So statement இங்கே இருக்கணும், numbers இங்கே இருக்கணும். Addition facts எல்லாமே இங்கே முடிச்சிடணும். ஓகேங்களா? Statement இங்கே தான் வரணும். So children, now move on to the sum. Now children, I told you how to write the statements and where to write the numbers, right? So start from the margin. After writing this question, leave one line. Now start writing from the margin. The first letter should be in capital. In furniture shop, comma. You just stop it here. Write this thousands, hundred, tens, ones in the number side after the margin. Clear? After writing this, leave one line. I help you to write the statement, children. Start from a margin. A man bought a bed is equals to. Till here you have to write in that side and the number should be in the number side. Mention rupees dot 2,100 in a correct place value position. Clear? Continue in the next line. A dining table equal to rupees 3,500. Next line, 6 chairs is equals to rupees 4,200. I hope everyone understand where to write the statement and where to write the numbers. Yes, okay. After writing this, leave one line. So how much he is going to pay? Therefore, this symbol indicates therefore. He has to pay is equals to, draw these two lines with your pencil and scale. Now we are going to do the addition from the ones. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. In hundreds, 1 plus 5 plus 2. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now in thousands, rupees, 2100, isn't it? So 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. We have to mention the rupees, children. So rupees dot, it is very necessary. After completing this word problem, now you may draw a line using a ruler and a pencil. After completing this, write parent sign, which is most important one. Get your parent sign, it is very necessary, children. Now I hope everyone understand this word problem. Dear children, I hope everyone know now how to write the word problems and addition in your classwork neatly. So remain all the instructions properly, children. Don't scribble, observe the number properly and copy the number properly, children. So I meet you in our next class. Until then, bye.